Today we have a video from Body Cam Network USA, and the title of the video is Pregnant Woman Pulls Taser on Club Security After Getting Thrown Out.
On July 7th, 2024, several officers with the Orlando Police Department responded to a call from a nightclub in reference to an armed disturbance. The caller stated that a black female wearing a floral shirt was standing outside of the club with a taser trying to tase security. The altercation allegedly started when her friend began fighting with someone at the bar, causing the suspect to get involved by throwing a drink on the woman, then moving on to threatening the security guards.
I got a pregnant chick at the club anyway.
Don't touch me, sir. You're the 10. I don't have a taser.
You're the 10.
Hey, look, if I'm going to bail Orlando, come get me.
Orlando Police, we have on your back. You're resisting. You're resisting. Tensing your arm.
My kids are pregnant.
You're resisting. You're tensing your arm. I got her arm. Get her touched.
I am pregnant. Sir, I'm April's pregnant.
You shouldn't have been resisting.
I'm not resisting. Sir, I'm not resisting.
Yes, ma'am, you were. You've been tensing up this entire time.
I was waiting on the bottle lady to bring me my shoes. Malia, get that black lady. She just told us to wait. Ma'am. But that lady,
To get her on our side, please.
I need my phone. I need my phone.
We got your phone.
No, Madame, boy, don't touch me, sir. Why
You're resisting.
I'm
Continuously
not
resisting.
resisting. I'm pregnant. I didn't do anything.
It doesn't matter if you're pregnant.
You don't know what happened. You just bailed me. I didn't resist.
Okay, listen. I'm trying to explain it to you, but you keep trying to talk over me, okay?
I'm about to throw up.
The fire department's on its way.
But why did I just get bailed on the ground?
What's your name?
Mia.
All right.
Why did I get bailed on the ground?
Okay, listen. Yeah, I'm trying to explain to you. You're not even trying to listen. Okay? Okay. We got a call saying that the person matching your description was trying to tase people.
I took the taser from that girl, and they took it from me.
Okay.
We got when they hit the black.
You're not letting me explain though. Okay, I know, but give me a second, okay?
Yes, sir, I hear you.
Okay. So that's what we got, okay? Hold on. We have to go on what we have first, okay?
I don't understand why my
Give me a second. I'm trying to. Okay. We got a call that said this, okay? We have to go on what we're called on, okay? So once an officer gives you a lawful order, you have to listen to those orders, even though if you don't agree with those orders.
This is the first officer that went up and bailed me. I went to grab my phone. I said, hey, I answered him.
I grabbed you. You said, no, don't touch me. You pulled away. I was trying to put your hands behind your back, and you
I
tensed
wanted
up the
to
entire
tell my
time.
mom and them.
You tensed up. Therefore, that's why we put you on the ground. Because you tensed up the entire time and said, no.
I understand it.
Okay, you understand. You understand.
I was out here waiting for the lady with the waist trainer to bring me my belongings, my wallet and my shoes. They said I could wait for them.
Right. But when we get here, we got a call about someone wearing a floral shirt. You're the only person wearing floral.
I already got escorted
So
out.
therefore, you're detained. Because we're getting called that you're threatening people with a taser.
I didn't threaten you. Can you ask the witnesses?
It doesn't mean you're still detained upon my arrival.
So
when I grab you, you're...
Malia, please get my phone and call my mom. Let me get your phone. That's what I'm saying. Is that what's going on? I'll hear what you're saying. So, excuse me, I'm asking why am I going to jail though?
For resisting without violence.
I didn't resist, sir. You know I didn't resist.
Okay, man.
Fire's coming back out for her.
Okay, so we'll hang out for a little bit.
But can I talk to you, please? All jokes aside,
Sure, we can talk.
I didn't resist you, sir. And I'm sorry if you feel that way. I apologize. I literally was waiting on
It's not that I felt that way, man. I have nothing against you. I'm just letting you know when an officer goes to grab you, there's a reason I go to grab you.
I didn't step back. I said I'm going to
You pulled your arm
jail.
away from me, and that's why someone else grabbed you, and we had to put you to the ground. And while we're trying to handcuff you, you're still fighting.
I went to the ground. I have a rod right here, sir. Do you see how I'm sorry, but do you see how my right arm bends? Do you see how my right arm is bent? I have a rod and snatch away from you. I had said, hey,
it was your left arm, by the way. I had your left arm, and your left arm you were still tensed up the entire time. So regardless,
yes, sir, I get it. I don't want to go to jail for that, sir.
It's just resisting without violence.
I don't live here, sir. I didn't resist you. I
Do you have a
apologize.
Florida ID?
They can't find my wallet.
Do you have a Florida ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I didn't resist you. I don't feel like that's fair.
understand.
I apologize if you feel that way. It's
this is
nothing we
where
could
you
do,
go.
so I can't go to jail.
This is the whole point, right? You can go to court and contest it, but they're gonna watch my body camera footage and they're gonna hear me yelling at you, stop resisting.
And I will take it to court because I didn't snatch. I answered the phone. I say, hey, babe, I'm going to jail.
But
because you said detain, and that's what I thought detain means jail. I say, hey, I'm going to jail in Orlando. I'm going to jail, and I let y'all slam me. I just was telling him I was going to jail.
What's going on?
I got a piece of glass in my arm, and when he bent me, the glass slid in my arm. Like, I don't think they were. He feels like I was resisting, sir. I don't resist officers. You can check my record.
He doesn't care about the resistance. He just wants to know
I have
what
glass
you
in
need.
my arm.
Show your arm. Never.
The glass in my arm right there. And when he bent me, the glass slid in my arm. I got a whole metal rod in my arm. Why he said I
I mean, there is something in your arm, but
glass in my arm. I know it's in my arm. I have glass in my arm from my car accident. And when he bent me, it slid up. I felt it, and it's starting to grow. I know what's in my arm. To the hospital. I would like to, yeah, if I have to.
let's just go ahead and get it.
I really just don't. I want to go to jail. Just take me to jail. I want to get bond. Can I bond myself out of jail? Can I please get my?
Yes, you can.
I need my phone to do something. That is weird that I can't use my phone.
So what do you,
So do you want to go to the hospital or not?
No, I just want y'all to take me to jail. I want my wallet and my shit. This is madly insane.
we're gonna walk back to my car now, okay? Hey, hold on. As a matter of fact, we're gonna walk back. Sorry.
But do you see how I'm not pulling away from you?
I know, that would have been great if you didn't do that.
I did not see this. I can't believe y'all.
Come on, sister. So if this thing, I don't think it really matters
So what do you have? Misdemeanor or felony?
misdemeanor.
Okay, so call me when your charging affidavit is done so that I can read it over because I'm supposed to look it over and approve that. So if it's a misdemeanor and you send it through, I won't get to be
I'll
able
make
to
sure
look
to call
at
you
it. So
before I
yeah,
send
call
it
me, I'll read it over, I'll say good to go, and then that's
Understood now.
it. Okay.
What?
No, you're good.
Ma'am, I hope you know that's not me being. That's
No,
not
I
me
know,
being,
I know. That's your normal.
I call him sir. I call him sir like
I told my. Well,
80 times in a day.
He thinks that no matter what, when the sergeant talks to him, we're angry with him. That's just how.
Delta 16 headquarters. What's that?
Copy mileage.
Yes, ma'am. They'll let you do that.
1540.
Yes, ma'am. They'll let you do that. What's that?
I hope you're not taking us to the hospital. I don't know.
We are at the hospital. It's. I understand, but you're claiming something that has to get medically checked out. He told me directly to come here. That's not your option. You can.
It's amazing how they always want to claim something medically, right? Oh, got the glass in my arm, or whatever, to delay the process of just going to jail and coming out. That whole process to go down there and get booked, it's probably 2 hours. Go down there, get booked, bond out, whatever. Something like what she got to do the paperwork and all that. 2 hours, man. Maybe 3. You're in and out. But now you're gonna prolong the process because you're gonna go to the hospital, sit around. Hopefully they get to you fast. Hopefully it's not busy in there. And then you still have to go through the process of getting booked in. What is she doing at the club, man? That's what I want to know. What is your pregnant ass doing at the club anyway, man? What are you doing? You can't drink. Like what are you doing? What's going on? I don't even know why she there. Where your man at, man? Shouldn't you be laid up? You should be rubbing your belly, right? Or something. Come on, man. What's going on? Y'all supposed to be in the crib tonight. You shouldn't even be at the club, man. Golly, man.
Tell that to the hospital, but until then, we need discharge paperwork because you're claiming something happened. Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am. You said you have a rod.
I don't want it.
You said you have a rod in your arm that slipped. Therefore, we need you.
I said I got a rod in my arm and I got a piece of glass in my arm. And when you bent me, the glass moved. You can see the knot where the glass is.
So therefore, you need discharge paperwork.
I had the glass in my arm 3 years.
So I'll make sure to tell that to the hospital.
I don't want the medical treatment. I don't want the medical treatment. I don't want the medical treatment. It's breaking me to be nasty.
It's not being nasty.
You don't want the medical treatment, but you keep talking about that incident. If that's something that happened or whatever, but you don't want to go to the hospital, you just wouldn't say anything at all. You made it a big deal. That's why, the ambulance guys, EMS had to come out there and talk to you or whatever, and then you denied it then. But you keep talking about it, though. You keep talking about it. So if it's bothering you that bad, we got to go to the hospital now.
I don't want to be here. Advent can't do nothing for me.
Just for documentary purposes, I'm only waiting for my partner to get here so that way we can move you.
Is there no way to call your sergeant?
You already spoke to my sergeant.
You can tell him I don't want it.
He already knows that, ma'am. Alright, for medical purposes, my body can now get off to the medical facility. Secure, stabilized.
After being taken to the hospital, she went inside and was medically cleared. The police report does not state whether she denied care like she stated in the car or if she was treated for her injuries.
It's only a $500 bond, so whatever that'll be. I don't know if it's. I think it might be less. I think it might be $250. I think the minimum is $250. So I think you only have to put up like $250 or something like that. What's that? I understand. If you want, I can let you make a phone call once we get there. Ma'am? Oh, I'm sorry. If you want, I'll let you make a phone call. Yeah. In order to open it to make a phone call, I don't know your password. Which one's mom? Mom? Okay, I'm calling it now.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
I thought Malia was fighting a man. The whole time it was a stud.
She was then transported to the Orange County Jail where she was booked and only charged with resisting officers without violence, as the security guard did not want to take legal action against the woman. The charge was later dropped in court. If you enjoy the content we produce, please.
Charges drop. Okay, simple as that. Man, I'm still trying to figure out what you're doing at the club, man. You're supposed to be home laid up somewhere, man. And sit your pregnant ass down somewhere, man. 8 months pregnant out at the club. Well, come on, man. At least wait until you pop the baby out. Then you can go back out, Shit, at that point, you deserve a drink, man. You just brought life in, life into the world. Of course, you deserve a drink now. But, yeah, man. Crazy situation. Yeah. Whew. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.